This is a 2020 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. The color of this Ultra Limited is a custom Harley color option, which is Zephyr Blue and Sunglo Black with a black finish. This is a $4,100 Harley Davidson color option. Along with the custom colors, it comes blacked out from the factory. So you have black wheels, black front end. The headlights and driving lights are blacked out. Engine guards, highway pegs, exhaust, hand controls, saddlebag guards, luggage rack. It really sets off the Zephyr Blue color being blacked out. Great looking color. Great looking bike. This 2020 Ultra Limited has only 1,146 original miles on it. It has had the 1,000-mile service, so it's ready to rock and roll. Speaking of rock and roll, the new GTS stereo system has been upgraded with the Stage 2 boom speakers, front and rear, and also the Harley Davidson Stage 2 amplifier, which is a 300-watt system, and it's neatly tucked underneath the TourPak, so it doesn't take up any room in the saddlebags. This stereo sounds great. It's equipped with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. Now this bike has a Stage 1 performance package added to this 114, so it's got plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque over a stock one. It's equipped with the Screamin Eagle high flow intake, blacked out tab performance mufflers that sound really great. And it also has the Harley Davidson Screamin Eagle Pro Street tuner that was used to dyno tune the Stage 1 bike. This bike runs really smooth, really stout. The rider's backrest has been added, which is adjustable, so you can find the sweet spot for those long hauls. The fuel tank bezel and fuel door are blacked out, the ignition switch, all the hand controls. Of course, it has the heated grips, cruise control, blacked out mirrors. And for your comfort on that long haul, the Harley Davidson short arm highway pegs have been added. And instead of pegs, these have the Harley Davidson mini boards. Nice blacked out custom Harley wheels. Of course, ABS brakes. Blacked out front end. The color on this bike is just incredible. It's one of those colors you have to see. This bike is in showroom-like new condition. There's no scratches, no chips, no dents, no scrapes. And with that custom Harley color option for $4,100, you can't go wrong. you're in the market for a new 2020 Ultra Limited, take a real good look at this 2020. Great custom color paint job from Harley Davidson, blacked out from the factory. Backrest, upgraded stereo, dyno tuned stage 1 engine. I mean, it has it all. There's nothing to do to this bike but put some miles on it. You could save yourself probably $7,000–8,000 off of a new one, and then still get stuck with the cost of adding all the accessories that have already been added. For information on how to purchase this beautiful 2020 Zephyr Blue Ultra Limited, please give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.